Hello, Mr. Witherow here. Still talking about graphing lines. Today we've got two special lines. We have vertical lines and horizontal lines. Vertical lines, remember vertical is up and down. Horizontal is left to right. Horizon, right? If you look out onto the horizon, it goes this way. Vertical, for athletes out there, we talk about vertical jumps. How high can you jump? And stuff like that, and you go up and down. So that's what we're looking at. Now, the cool thing about vertical and horizontal lines is that there's going to be only one variable. And you can, so if you notice that there's only one variable, then you know you're going to get vertical or horizontal lines. Vertical, doesn't that look like the y-axis, right? So if it's the y-axis, it looks like the y-axis, that means it goes through the x-axis, right? So that means that on vertical lines, you're going to have just x equals a number. Whenever you have x equals a number, you're going to have a vertical line. Horizon or horizontal lines go left and right, so that means it goes through the y-axis. So since it goes through the y-axis, that means you're going to get y is equal to a number. So vertical is x is equal to a number. Horizontal is y is equal to a number. Now also let's think about slope here. I want you to think about slope. Slope on a vertical line. We remember slope is easy and fun. Remember rise over the run. Well, since we have all rise on a vertical line, we're not running anywhere. That means we're going to have a number over 0. Remember, this is no good. We cannot divide anything by 0. We get undefined. So vertical lines have undefined slope. Horizontal slopes, remember rise over the run, we can run all day long, we just don't have any rise. There's no rising. So we're going to have 0 over a number. This is okay. So the slope will be 0. The slope is 0, not none. This is no slope up here. Undefined is the same thing as no slope. This is 0. Big difference. Big difference. Remember that. All right, so these are pretty basic, nothing too crazy. We come down here, we have two of them. Y is equal to -4 and 3 is equal to y. I did this on purpose because sometimes you guys get crazy when the y or the variable's on the right hand side. Same thing. Y is equal to -4. So there's no x, there's no nothing. I go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my y is equal to -4. That means it's -4 no matter what. So that means I just draw a line across and I call it good. No big deal. 3 is equal to y, which is the same as y is equal to 3. So that means I go up 3, 1, 2, 3. I put a dot. That means that 3 is good for all x's. So I just go straight across. Oh, just a little. Remember, since there is no rise, the slope is 0. Or just put a 0. All right? No rise, that means the slope is 0. And then if we look at horizontal line or vertical lines, if we have x is equal to -4, we go over -1, 2, 3, 4. We're here. That means that if it's x is -4, that's good for all number or everything. So we just draw a line up and down. For 3 is equal to x, that's the same as x is equal to 3. So we just go over from the origin. We just go over 1, 2, 3. There's our 3. So we just make a line. They're horizontal or they're vertical. Right? Vertical lines are vertical parallel lines. So since there is no run, right? So from here to here, we didn't have to run anywhere. That means then the slope is undefined. Oh. All right, perfect. Keep having fun with math.